Honors, that...
Well, you're hedging. I mean, Justice Sotomayor is asking you, would this be covered or not? And it was my understanding that the legislature's witnesses said that these would be covered.
Yeah, and those doctors said if they were exercising their medical judgment, they could, in good faith, determine that life-saving care was necessary. And that's my point, is a subjective
But some
standard.
doctors couldn't. Some doctors might reach a contrary conclusion, I think, is what Justice Sotomayor is asking you. So if they reach the conclusion that the legislature's doctors did, would they be prosecuted under Idaho law?
No. If they reach the conclusion that the Dr. Reynolds, Dr. White did, that these were life-saving...
What if the prosecutor thought differently? What if the prosecutor thought, well, I don't think any good faith doctor could draw that conclusion, I'm going to put on my expert?
And that, Your Honor, is the nature of prosecutorial discretion, and it may result in a case
Does Idaho put out any kind of guidance? You know, HHS puts out guidance about what's covered by the law and what's not. Does Idaho?
There are regulations. DAPA has some regulations, but I think the guiding star here is the Planned Parenthood v. Wasden case, which is a lengthy, detailed treatment by the Idaho Supreme Court of this law. And it made clear, the court made clear, that there is no medical certainty requirement. You do not have to wait for the mother to be facing death